Abortion cannot be healthcare. Healthcare seeks to enhance health. Abortion seeks death, the opposite of health. My dude, let me ask you a question. When a pregnant person goes to see a doctor about a pregnancy, who is the patient? The patient is the pregnant person, because without the pregnant person, you don't have the zygote or fetus or what have you. And there are a myriad of things that can go wrong during a pregnancy. There's preeclampsia, there's cardiac disease, there's high blood pressure, infections, anemia, high blood pressure, depression and anxiety, chronic headaches, dizziness, changes of vision, extreme fever, extreme swelling, thoughts of harming yourself or your baby, trouble breathing, chest pain, hemorrhoids, loss of teeth, and much, much more. Is the fetus a concern? Sure, but it's a secondary concern because the primary concern is the person carrying the fetus. So if a doctor is concerned about all these symptoms and they're treating the patient for these symptoms, what would you call that? The patient is alive, so it wouldn't be death care, so maybe it'd be health care. Because most of those symptoms could be detrimental to the life of the person carrying the fetus that you're so concerned about for some reason. Also, there are loads of things that could go wrong with the fetus. Like the story of the Texas woman, Kate Cox, who needed to have a medically necessary abortion because that fetus was going to die of excruciating pain within probably hours, if not days, of its birth. But forced birthers do not care about the pain of the baby. They don't care about the fact that it's going to suffer to death. All they care about is seeing it born. And that causes shit like PTSD for the parents. So whose life are you concerned with here? Because it's definitely not the parents, and it sure as hell isn't the baby if you're just wanting to let it suffer to death. And let's just say for shits and giggles that it is an elective surgery. You know what? It's not your business. Not my business. It's nobody's business except for that pregnant person and their doctor. But keep on telling people how they have to live their lives. But let me warn you, what goes around comes around eventually, my dude.